Okay, madam. Welcome back. Somebody was asking about the vertigo. Vertigo is you are losing the balance. கொஞ்சம் இது பண்ணீங்க, மியூட் பண்ணீங்க எல்லாரும்.
நீங்க அன்மியூட் பண்ணிக்கங்க. I am muted.
Now, any part of the body, if you got any problem, pain, itching or giddiness, anything is there, you do, see, you put a line connecting both the ears. Take a line in front of your nose. Where it meets, there is a point, very small depression will be there. You press it for 2 minutes. Morning, afternoon, night, evening. This way you continue. That will be giving you a lot of relief. Madam, yaar kettadhu adha?
Geeta sister, yeah.
Okay. A very important thing is, this point is a very, very important point to the whole body. This is the important point. There you give pressure, you will get.
Oh.
Now I am going to give you a lot of relief measures by acupressure. That is, தும்மல் வருதுன்னு வச்சுங்க. Somebody it's morning எழுந்துச்சோம் தும்மிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. You do one thing, you catch the little finger, press it backwards like this. Are you able to see? You press the little finger backward for 1 minute or so. Then தும்மல் நின்னுடும். சில பேருக்கு விக்கல் வரும். விக்கல் வந்துட்டு அப்படி பண்ணுவாங்க. Ring finger and the thumb. You press like this for about 2 minutes, you will get relief. Then, very important point for the ladies, the period problem for all the ladies. What they have to do is, தொப்புள் இருக்கு இல்லையா, தொப்புள்லேருந்து ஹரிசாண்டலா ஒரு லைன் போடுங்க. இப்படி நிப்பிள்லேருந்து ஒரு கோடு போடுங்க. அது எங்க மீட் பண்ணுதோ அங்க you press it. Left side or right side, both ways. You can press here and press there. If you press, and all your period problem will be solved. Similarly, people get headache often. What you do, see, a thumb and forefinger, from here, you take like this, where the bone, two bones are joining, you press. Slight pain is bigger, that is correct point. You press it for 2 minutes. Morning. You need not have before meal, after meal. Whenever you have got headache, you can do it. Not only headache, pain in all over the body, wherever it is, you can press like this. Are you able to see the point? Okay. Then, when you got running nose and cold, both the side of the nostrils, you press like this. Okay. Press for about 2 minutes. மூக்கு அடைப்பு இருந்துச்சுன்னா உடனே immediately it will open ஆயிடும். Then for the cold and the thing, what you can do is keep your left thumb up, catch hold of it with your right forefinger and thing, then press it like this. This is called Linga Mudra. Keep it in the chest. Breathe normally. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, but 10 times. That will have Linga Mudra. This will solve cold, even your headache and all the small problems in the body. This is called Linga Mudra. Throat. சில பேருக்கு கரகரன்னு இருக்கு throat. எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் கொஞ்சம் இருக்கு. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணுங்க, பாருங்க, chin as well as this bone. In between, upwards you press for about 2 minutes. You can see the reflection in your throat. 2 minutes, then the jaw bone where it ends, that tip of the bone, you press for about 2 minutes. This will solve your throat irritation or anything, that will solve கால்ல வீக்கம் இருக்கு, கால் கடுப்பா இருக்குது, முழங்கால் வலி இருக்குது, எல்லாத்துக்குமே ஐ டோல்ட் யூ திஸ் பாயிண்ட். இந்த இயர்ஸ் டுகெதர் அண்ட் நோஸ்ல இருந்து ஒரு கோடு போட்டீங்கன்னா எங்க மீட் பண்ணுதோ அங்க ஒரு சின்ன பள்ளம் இருக்கு, அதுல பிரஸ் பண்ணுங்க. யூ வில் கெட் ஆல் த ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் ஃபார் leg swelling also will be solved. Then மெமரியே இல்லை சார், அடிக்கடி மறந்து மறந்து போகுதுன்னா keep all the fingers touching each other like this, you know, like this. That's it. Keep it for 2 minutes. Release it. Whenever you got, and students who are going to the exam, when they know the answer but it is not coming, இங்க இருக்கு வர மாட்டேங்குது அப்படிம்பாங்க. அவங்க எல்லாம் இப்படி பண்ணாங்கன்னா they will get the answer immediately. Then itching in the body. See, itching in the body, if you got, what you have to do, keep the hand on the knee, put the middle finger the next in the bone, thumb here and the ring finger otherwise. Where the thumb touches, that point, you touch, you be getting lot of relief on the this spleen pointer. அதுலயே நான் சொன்னல இப்படி வச்சுட்டு இந்த கட்டை வரல பின்பக்கம் வச்சு பாருங்க, இந்த பாயிண்ட் இப்படி வைங்க, இந்த கட்டை வரல பின்பக்கம் நோக்கி பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு பாயிண்ட் இருக்கு, வலிக்கும். அங்க பிரஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா உடல்ல இருக்கிற அரிப்பு எல்லாம் போயிடும். அரிப்பு நீக்கிறதுக்கு இந்த பாயிண்ட். Okay. Now, I have told you some of the important points. There are a lot of points are there. No time to tell you all these things. What I have to tell you now is, Mr. Raghupati has done on the chair. He cannot sit in the ground. That's why he has done it on the chair. I will tell you in the sitting posture only 3-4 very important thing. I will show it to you now. You sit in the Artha Padmasana, it is called, or you can sit in the Padmasana, whichever is convenient for you. I do always Artha Padmasana. Then catch hold of your right hand with your left hand. Take a deep breath. Breathe out, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out. 1, 2, 10. Like this. Then your touch the ground. Come back. To your right, touch the ground. Come back. Put your hand at the back. Raise. 1 to 10. Come back. Now, very important is, take your right hand, touch your left ear, stretch, 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 stretch. தர போய் தரையில படணும். அதே போல on the right side. Stretch, 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 stretch. Come back. Now, very important is twisting. Twisting, how you do is, hold your right leg, keep your right leg crossed, turn, put your left shoulder on the right knee, catch hold of the knee, put your hand at the back, turn 180 degrees back, turn your head front, 1, 2, up to 10. Go back. Similarly, you put your right leg, left leg like this, cross your hand, catch hold of the knee, put your hand on the other side, turn 180 degrees, face to front, 1, 2, 3, come back. Here you are twisting like this. Okay? This is on the sitting posture, very important. Now, next thing is pranayam. He has already told you. Now meditation. Meditation is எண்ணமில்லாத மனம், thoughtless mind. That is called meditation. How எப்படி சார் அப்படின்னா, yes, very difficult. When you close your eyes, you will go to America, you go to London, you come to Delhi, and you see your son, grandson. Within second, you can travel like anything. That is the power of the mind. Now, you should control it. How? What you have to do is, when any thought comes, don't resist. என் நினைக்கக்கூடாதுன்னு நினைச்சீங்கன்னா கட்டாயம் நீங்க நினைப்பீங்க. Don't resist at all. Instead of that, you think about some positive thing. உங்க லைஃப்ல நடந்த எவ்வளவோ முக்கியமான சந்தோஷமான சமாச்சாரங்கள்லாம் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அதை நினைங்க. அப்படி பண்ணிட்டே இருந்தீங்கன்னா slowly you will get that your thoughts will be restricted. Then slowly it will come slow down. At one fine time, you will be having a bright light in the fourth head. Between the eyebrows, you will get a bright light. You get it? You are achieved. Keep your left arm down, right hand. Left hand down, right hand up, thumbs touching each other. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now you concentrate on your eyebrows in between your mind, and you always think about your breathing only. Inside going, outside coming, inside going, outside coming. Yes, like this, slowly. That meditation, if you go on do it today, in 1 day or 1 month, it will not come. You have to practice. Once you practice, you will get very good thing. Your forehead here, this point, you will get a flashing light. That means your meditation is perfect. Once you do the meditation and get it perfect, what you think will happen? When you see somebody, what they think you can understand. What you want them to do, you can do it. It's the most powerful factor. That meditation is very important, that you have to do and practice. Now it is time for me to hand it over to Mr. Raghupati sir to carry on, and he will do the balance. What all I have to tell you is, keep yourself fit, keep always your mind free from worries. Don't worry about the past. Don't be afraid about the future. Live in the present. Present is very important. Living in the present is always good. And you need not worry about others. Always see, a mother has got 5 children. If the 5 children are very close to the mother, they give all what is required for the mother. You mean to say the mother will be happy when the 5 together is not going to be always quarreling? The 5 children are quarreling, but they are happy with their mother. They want to do anything for mother. You mean to say the mother will be happy? No. Similarly, the God has created the entire human, and the humans are all, நான் போய் உண்டியல்ல 100 ரூபாய் போடுறேன், பாலாபிஷேகம் பண்றேன், பஞ்சாமிர்தம் அபிஷேகம் பண்றேன், இப்படி பண்ணிட்டே இருக்காங்க. ஆனா ஒருத்தருக்கு ஒருத்தர் சண்டை போடுறாங்க. Mother, you mean to say the God will be happy? No. Even if you are not praying to him, even if you are not going to them, if you people are close and understanding each other, the God will be happy, just like the mother. Thank you. Now over to Mr. Raghupati.
Now, let me see, because already pranayama a little bit told, a little bit of more pranayama is there. Nozzle, 1 nozzle, 2 nozzle, that I will come later. Before that, regular exercise I will go. And that exercise also, as I told, if you control your breathing along with the exercise, that will be the yoga. So I am showing you only the exercise part of it. breathing you have to control along with that, then it will help you a lot. Now, this can be done while walking also or while standing this. We have shown all fingers and stretching and all. Now the joints and the hand movements. So this is the first one is, take it this. See, up, breathe in, breathe out. I'm showing only three times. Left. Then front side this way, reverse side. Four times I have done. Now, same way, both hands. This is rotation, opposite side this. Reverse. This is the one movement of the hands. The second one, here, I have shown this rotation. This second one, this one. See, from inside, you take it to this rotation here. Same way, left hand. We have shown this way, now the sideways also. Now inside. Similarly, now stretching up. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. This is the second set of the hand exercise. The third, rotation time. Here, front to back. For this, the second reverse is this way, you have to do. Shoulder touching. This is third. Then fourth, you make the weight lifting they do, like that. For that, second set of it is take it like this. For each one, I have given two this. If it is there, then both the hands like that. This is the fourth set. Then the shoulders, very important. First, this rotation. The reverse. These shoulders are there. Then while walking or this, he told no, the acupressure points. All these are acupressure points. What you can do, see, this is front to back, then up and down. You should clap. The third set is back clapping not possible. These are the claps. Then remember, you can do it. And even standing you can do. I am just sitting here. Here. This is the important. The second one I am giving just for holding it. This is in the palms, then back of it. The other one. So palms and back. Now side. This way. Then here, this touching here. Then you can clap here. You can even hold it here, your entire arm. Back side. Similarly. Already master has told what is the benefit of it. Now, whether you remember the benefit or not, you make the movements. Press it. Make it. You can change that fingers the other way. Same, little. Then, this is also important, these points. After that, master will tell later on, these nerves very important. Press it here. Here. Same way, again hands this side. Touching this. Here. Then all these points pressure. He has already shown the importance of pressure. Same way, all these points you pressure. Just below this finger, this center, come here, come here. There are 6 points. Then go to your here and center, here, here. Master will tell you next time because time is short. Similarly, this side. Then same fingers, acupressure points only. See here, 1, 2, 3. Then sideways. Similarly, the front, then sideways. The top front, sideways. After these interjections, that also you have to press it. Similarly here. Same when enlarge this, here you have to take 2 times here in the front, then this middle here, again 4 points here, 8 times. Here 2 times. You can fully. All the acupressure points in the hands you have done wonderfully now. See, the same thing, if you have relaxation, you can do it, your leg also, you can press. See, if you are not very particular, every finger you can touch it and relax it. It will give you a lot of relief because the entire weight, everything goes on your legs, your feet only. So, if only you massage the feet, that is really wonderful. You must do it at least before going to the bed. If time is there, sitting on the bed, you can just press it, give. That is massaging your feet is so wonderful. You will even get good sleep. Before going to sleep, you just do it and go to the sleep. It will give you a lot of relief. Finger wise, then this. Then after that, acupressure points, as you said, the last what I am giving. See, press it here 3 times. Then all are acupressure benefits, but we are doing without giving any explanation what best it can be done. After doing all this, do this way. Your entire body relaxes. As I said, remember, if you are doing in sitting and all, changing from one position to another, you can, some 3-4 times, you can do it like that. You are, because knees and all sitting in the same position, it will relax you. And this exercise, I told you, no, full body. When you are sitting in the house doing laptop, doing any type of work, at least half an hour once or 1 hour once, you can do this. This relaxes all your entire body. This. So, all whatever positions you were there doing laptop, concentrating on that, everything will be relaxed with this. Sombal murikiron illa adu mariya sombal mari irukra sombal engo maatidu. It relaxes all your nervous system and body, your tissues and all. It gives relaxation. That is really good. That you must try to see every now and then, whenever you remember, once in an hour or something like that. But the standing this, whenever you feel like, just stand up and sit and again continue the work. Stand up, sit and continue the work. That will take care of. Then the time is there. After that, what I do, I go and hold in the upstairs. This is the chair. This is the exercise which I told you, know. This type also I do this. See, first this, actually one, this leg up, this hand down. The reverse side. Oh, not down. I can hold that. 3 times there. Then same way. 3 times. This way 3 times. Then, as I said, you can relax it. Do it. Then the very important thing, time is there, another 7-8 minutes. The eye exercises, which already everybody knows. If you want starting people, without this you can do it. If you want starting there, your nose, your finger, then far off. Bring it to the finger, nose, nose. This is the one position. Then this is the sideways position. Go with your thumb seal, then sideways, then clockwise. Your head should not move, only eye. Anti-clockwise, then clockwise. 3 times or 5 times or 10 times this. But need not, after 50 and all, this eye exercise need not be too much done. Need not give strain, because one of the eye specialists told me, it's not absolutely necessary. If you want, you can relax. It will give relief, but it's not going to make any eye improvement and all, because it is not possible after the age. But very sore eye and all, something relief will be there. But neck is very good. Neck is a must. The same way, down, side, up, here. Rotation, same way, what I told, this eyes and neck get lot of relief. We are going part by part, so that whatever possible, wherever it is possible, we are doing it. Then lying down, I used to do it, that I can't do now anything. That after lying down or relaxing and whatever it may be possible at all, then when you come up, You have to, maybe sometimes, most of the time, your eyes closed. See, after relaxing, do this way. You keep 2 fingers. Press it lightly. Similarly, you can press it lightly here. Then you can hold your ears. Just rotate. Then slowly give warm time. Then this eyebrows. Then here you will feel very, very relaxed. Little bit of pressure. You can even hold it, or some people do like this. It is not possible. Okay. Then this one also. As if you are holding, the head is going to go too much there and you are holding like that. Then all these systems. This type of relaxation, it gives a lot of relief. Then one more is there. I don't know, it may be close, it doesn't matter. At the end, if it is possible, see that whether you can, finally when you are coming, whether you can walk on this. See, walk on the front portion of your feet. See. Second, only back of it. Then sideways, these two, outer, then inner. Then after that, you can try lifting the leg, lifting the body and taking this. Even sideways also you can do. But every time you are lifting and on your toes you stand. After that, finally, without toes, this, whether you see whether it is possible, you can do it. Not lifting the body, nothing, you are this. But the entire your inner system, you are lifting your muscles, everything there. I don't know, you have to see how it does. From leg to head, I am lifting it, but no movement. Inner, my nervous system, everything gets relaxed. And after this, what I do, I think there is 5 minutes I will hand over to Rajappan finally. After this, what I do, I sit comfortably for 15-20 minutes, take a song, sing. Because all relaxation, I am very comfortable because I go in there or any private area only, where I practice for 10-15 minutes simply because nobody is going to hear. That's why even if you do the wrong, nobody is going to laugh at you. So that gives relief and come back to me. This is what I do actually. Now I request Rajappan to take over. In the gallery view only, all of us will be there. Rajappan can close the system, sir. Another 5 minutes are there. Thank you very much for patiently looking at me. Okay, bye. Yeah.
Give me the screen, please. Thank you, Mr. Raghupati. Beautifully done. Your wonderful performance. I'm so proud of you. Very good, very good. You earned a very good name for others.
No, everything I tell you here, I want to confirm. This is
next to Guruji.
maximum.
Next to Guruji.
Yeah, it is maximum here because Srinivasan is the proof there. The two were sitting and doing together.
Mahaguru. Not Guru, Mahaguru.
Mahaguru.
Give me the screen, please.
Yeah, I will give that. ஒரு 3 நிமிஷம் தான் இருக்கு. அப்படியே நீங்க அந்த ஹாப்பி டே கூட சொல்லுங்க அப்புறம்.
ஓகே. ஓகே.
ஸ்பாட்லைட் வரலையே ராஜப்பன். என்னாச்சு? ஸ்பாட்லைட் for everyone. Okay, right. Go ahead.
Very good. Beautiful performance by Mr. Raghupati. So proud of him. Nice of you all. Even though there are only about 10 people, 11 people came, I'm so happy that they were so much listening to this. I hope they will be benefited. We have got hardly 2-3 minutes, I think. I thought of giving you the சர்வாங்காசனம் செஞ்சு காட்டலாமான்னு பார்த்தேன். I don't know whether it is possible. Anyway, I will try. Just. I am doing the Sarvangasana.
Very nice, very nice.
Count up to 10, 20, then slowly, you bring back, touch the ground. Come back. Sarvangasana will give lot of benefits for the brain, for the spinal cord, everything. Not much of time, that's why I was not able to demonstrate properly. Very important, the acupressure point, he was given a lot of information he gave, very informative. I was so happy that even if I would not have given that much of details, because a lot of things are slipping, you know, you will not be able to continue your work. Only thing is, what I request all of you, 9 people who are here now, whenever you take food, when you are in a position to take something more, stop it. This is the point. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் சாப்பிடலாம்னு நினைக்கிறப்ப ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிடுங்க. Don't overload your stomach at all. Always half of the stomach you should fill it with food, quarter with water, quarter with air. That is the way you keep your body fit. Otherwise, indigestion will take place. Now I think it's time. All happy day. Happy day. Happy day. Thank you all very much.
ரொம்ப நெட்டும் செய்றீங்களா நீங்க? நான் கான்டென்ட்டா பேசுகிறேன்.
சார்மா
டெய்லி பண்றீங்களா? தினம் செய்றீங்களா?
மார்னிங்ல ஒரு 1 hour மா.